we playing? Wanna play? Yes? So this is my routine with my cat before we go to bed. Ready? Okay, here's the hair tie. There we go. Okay, bring it over. Good girl. Can you have it? Ready? Good job, Snowy. Here. More? Okay. 3 more and that's it, okay? 3 more. 1. That's 1. Yes, okay. 2 more. And we're going to sleep. 2. Okay, you got it? Okay, this is the last one and we're going to sleep. It's late, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, bring it over. Let's go. Come on the bed. Yeah, you know it's the last one. Come on, bring it down here. Good girl. Okay. Tomorrow again, we're going to sleep, okay? All done.